In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use a McDonald's gift card on Uber Eats and whether or not it is possible to do this. To answer this question, what we can try to do is go over to the Uber Eats application, set up your location, and then look for McDonald's. Now, I'm going to assume that obviously you want to redeem your McDonald's gift card on the store itself. So we're going to tap on it and then we're going to add items to our cart. So as you can see, this is an official McDonald's and I'm going to add some of the items that I see here. I'm going to choose random items to demonstrate this, but of course you can take your time and carefully browse through all of the options. I'm only doing this for demonstration purposes. Now, when you have everything that you want to acquire with the gift card on your card, you might want to go ahead and proceed to checkout. Now, when you reach checkout, the payment options are going to appear. And if you tap the option to add a payment method, what you will notice is that you have plenty of options. So you have stuff like a bank account, Venmo, credit or debit card, PayPal, Google Pay, a gift card, Klarna, and then health benefits. If you tap on gift card, you will notice that this option is related to Uber gift cards. So if you acquire an Uber gift cards, you can add it to your wallet. However, what about a McDonald's gift card specifically? Can we not redeem the McDonald's gift card on Uber Eats even if we're ordering from McDonald's? Well, sadly, as it stands today, you cannot use the McDonald's gift card on Uber Eats in any way. You can only redeem your McDonald's gift card if you make an order in-store on McDonald's or a transaction made through the McDonald's app. You will not be able to use it on third-party delivery services like Uber Eats. So as it stands today, you must do this process through the latest version of the McDonald's app instead. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the limitations of redeeming the McDonald's gift card and how to actually use it instead of redeeming it on Uber Eats. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.